Hi everybody!
Hello!
Welcome back to another episode of
FilAmstagram!
Okay, Van Clan, what's the plan?
You're the man!
I'm the man, okay, with the van. You would have seen our last video, I set up the leisure battery and a pure sine wave power inverter. So this is a 2000 watt inverter, and we're gonna show you how we cook today. You turn it on there, that gets your power from your battery into this. Now you need to change the battery power into electricity power. So we put that right here. And we plug it in. All right, we should have juice. See, we have this extension that goes to here. Do you see this thing?
Yes, yes.
The extension goes to here.
I see
and then it runs. So we could plug things in here.
Yeah.
We have a plug here that runs all the way to the back. So that's what's hooking our inverter up back there.
So welcome to the big white kitchen, which isn't very big and it isn't very white on the inside. So the menu for today is chicken siomai. We don't eat rice. We're on a diet, so no rice, no carbs for us. All right. We're gonna put the chicken siomai, which had defrosted for a while, into our steamer. Okay, turning on. What's the best setting? Oh.
Either that's a bad battery or it hadn't fully charged from yesterday's activities. That's the noise it makes when it's out of juice. So we're gonna see what happens here. This is a guessing game for us at this point, so you'll see whether or not this works. So let's do it. Gotta turn the van on. I have to wait for this light to come back on. Oh, I see it. You see it? That's the first good sign. So let's do this.
Turning on the induction.
Oh, is it on?
I put it on a lower setting, 1000 watt instead of 1500.
Hi ladies.
Hello!
I'm getting kind of hungry.
Yeah.
Too bad that didn't work out for us right away, huh?
Right.
Hey, this is DIY van life. You know, we had to learn everything, right, Bing?
Yeah.
I mean, we didn't know really a lot of what to do, except for like the basic stuff that we have our talents in already, like Bing's beautiful talent of artwork.
Right.
That Miriam and Bing did together back there behind them. There goes Bing with our salad.
Like a tiny hole on here. That's what it is.
That's what it is. You're right.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna try this again. I don't know. Let's see what happens here.
I don't want
Here goes nothing. Oh.
it. Hey! It's working.
Well, for now.
Yay.
All right, 1,000. That'll get us boiling. How's it going over there, Bing?
Okay.
The fan came on this. It's a little hot, but not really. Bing's got to go see a client that's renting from us today. We'll see Bing in a few.
Okay.
All right, don't forget to take your apron off.
Oh yeah.
Miriam wants to show you her art, and it's really wonderful. And so yesterday, or 2 days ago, she made a fox. So maybe we can see the fox first.
Yeah.
Look at that. And see how the fox in front of the fan, it panting, right? And then she said, oh no, the fox needs a friend, right? So literally, this is how good this girl is at art and crafts. Within 5 or 10 minutes, she made a friend for Fox.
There it is.
And that's a corgi?
Yeah, it's a
And look at that tongue. That tongue looks real. Oh, look at that. So she's got her 2 friends together. Yeah. All right. Good job, Miriam. So this is Miriam in her element. She really loves doing this stuff. She's really good at it.
These are sides of a race car
Oh.
from a cartoon.
With animals driving them?
But it's the same dog.
Same dog?
Yeah.
So as an update, I'm letting the inverter just kind of like cool down a little bit, even though it's running the fan, it's running our light above the fan.
It's running.
Miriam's Christmas lights. And you can see it was steaming, look. You know, you can see the vapor. But we still have hope, right Miriam? Miriam won't eat that anyway. She only eats vegetables and fruits and eggs, real butter, so she can get some nice butter fat, soy milk. You know, one thing I really love about van life is I'm sitting on my couch. I can reach my kitchen. I can cook. You know, I could be cutting up vegetables, sitting down, leisurely cooking my meal if the inverter would work. these things boil up water pretty fast, as you probably know if you've ever used an induction cooker. So let's see. So I'm not lying to you. I'm just gonna keep this. Uh-oh, there it is. Oh, but it went off. See? Isn't that peculiar? Uh-oh. But I don't know if it's gonna run. The wheels are gonna run on the floor.
Oh, these are just the parts of it.
Oh, okay. I have to be honest, I'm kind of frustrated right now because this thing should be able to handle it. And just to show you, continuous power, 2,000 watts, 4,000 watts of surge power. So I don't know what the deal is, but we have used the induction stove before. Like I said, it was a different one. It's a smaller one that actually fits on our counter better. But you don't really want anything less than 1,000 watts. I mean, 800 watts might work for most of your cooking needs, but anyway, I feel defeated. We'll probably put this video out anyway because, you know, we don't want to show you all the perfect things, how we do everything just right, how we have a perfect van, how we have this perfect van life, you know. It's always a journey. You know, you're always learning new things every day with van life, and this is just the way it goes sometimes. Disheartening. And I'm hungry. Well, the time was now to eat, but those dreams have been dashed. Anyway, I tried a different setting. We'll see what happens with this one. It's been on for almost a minute now. So you ready, Miriam?
No. Let's see if this can go.
You want to see if that can go?
Look at it. First, look at it.
Oh, yeah. Wow, that's beautiful. I put it back on 1,000 watts. You know, what the heck? Who knows what the difference is going to be? It's probably start beeping any second now. Yep. Ah, you. Oh, you. Let's try back to 80 degrees. I don't even know what that means. I guess 80 degrees. Woo. See, it's hot. It's getting there. It's not quite enough. Here comes Bing. Here comes Nanay. I don't know if she's not be too happy that we still haven't eaten. I mean,
I'm back.
she's back. Nothing's changed. The pot's a little hotter.
Uh-huh.
But I tried like, what, three more times, I think?
I need a car that night.
So,
Okay.
anybody want raw shomai? Kind of like sushi or something? Shushmai? No? Well, Bing had the brilliant idea of plugging in the old one.
Yun.
We got it. Let's see what happens here.
Oh,
But no beep yet. What, we got almost a minute now?
I got it down to 800.
Yeah,
See
yeah.
if that is better
All right.
for our 2,000 watt inverter.
Yes. All right. Will we keep this going and let them see the truth?
I'm hungry.
I am too. Well, Bing, looks like we might be eating like Miriam today. Did you finish?
Yep. You knew it. You would never think that a magnetic car would have 3 strings inside.
Oh, it's a magnetic car?
Yeah.
Wow.
It would have 3 strings connected to these little holes.
What do the strings do?
They steer it this way, or this way, to the middle, to the right, or to the left.
Wow, and it works.
Yeah.
Good job. Oh, I see. You have a magnet on the outside.
Oops. Gotta pull it. Oh, there it goes. Look. Let it turn. Look.
Oh.
It turned.
Yeah.
Good job. All right, we're going to try it one more time. Actually, we have hot water now. There's some steam going on
Yeah,
here. And it's not even hot. Like, this is supposed to go off when it's like overheating or whatever. So, something fishy's going on. I don't know. But here we go. Last attempt. Attempt number 6. Oh, this is really burning my biscuits now. So, it's still charging. I mean, it works. It can run the fans. It can run lights. It can charge your devices, you know. I ran the drill with it last night. Okay, this is our last attempt. I'm going to turn it on now.
Okay, it's on now.
Okay, countdown. Will it stay on for 10 seconds? You'll hear this beep because the microphone's right next to it when it starts to malfunction.
Okay, I put it on 160 degrees Celsius.
I'm revving up the engine. Oh boy.
Okay.
All right.
Ayos.
Anyway, bon appetit.
We're eating like Miriam.
Kamatis, repolyo, cervantes.
Very good.
Very good.
Okay. So
All right.
we were hoping for a little bit more, but that's just the way it goes sometimes.
Yep.
Looks like a Christmas.
Not every experiment is successful, but we have cooked before with the induction stove with that setup. So I think it's a bad battery.
But it's not our only cooking option, actually. We have a huge fiberglass LPG tank here. The stove itself is not in good condition.
Tried to customize it to fit it into a
Yeah.
certain place, so I cut
Yeah.
some of the metal and some of the frame of it, and it just didn't work out.
It wasn't an exact failure because we know it works. We have a camping kitchen set up that we want to put in front of the van. We'll get a new, longer hose and a better quality gas stove. Just in time for our next camping, which will be soon.
Yeah, by the end of the week, hopefully.
Hopefully. Hit us with your campsite recommendations, especially here in the Tagaytay area and around, nearby. So we might just see you there.
Yeah.
If you're there.
Happy camping. Stay tuned for further episodes. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Please comment below what you thought of our big failure.
Sending love
From Tagaytay.
Tagaytay.